I'll probably get 13 or 1400 a day on 3 calls, and they're all simple calls. So. How's it going? Garage door.
I'll get the door open.
Okay. I hung these things, didn't I?
I think so.
Yeah. I was expecting you to have this older battery backup one, but these are relatively the newer models.
Yeah.
Yeah, they even have a newer model than this now, where
Really?
the light goes all the way around it, and then you don't have to change light bulbs ever. I don't know if maybe these are you don't have to change light bulbs too. Yeah, these don't have light bulbs. Yeah, no light bulbs. So yeah, you never have to change bulbs.
I didn't know that.
But anyway, so what issue are you having with these?
Just the little board
Not working?
not working.
So that,
Oh, it worked.
no, it's actually working when it shouldn't work. No, it shouldn't go on like right now.
I mean, this thing, I've tried it probably 20, 25 times.
No, I know, but it went on by itself. When I pushed it and I stopped it,
Oh,
and then it stopped, and then it went on again, and I didn't touch it. So it's probably wet or something inside. Well, I didn't even touch it there. So something's activating this.
and it just did nothing. There was no
Yeah,
response of any
see,
kind.
it's not going down. So I don't know if it's gonna be in that, or let's try this over here. Which one is the bottom one?
The bottom one, yeah.
Yeah, so you're having issues, it's probably with the door. So, I mean, I can service the door and stuff, but it did activate on its own. So there might be some corrosion in it or something.
You know, when I called you, matter of fact, I played around with it again. Nothing, absolutely nothing.
No, I know. So you probably have an issue going on here with this. You use it a lot?
This door,
No, that keypad.
2 or 3 times a week maybe.
Oh, okay. It went on its own when I pushed the stop button, and it went up and stopped again. It shouldn't have started again, and it started again. So there's something going on with that. Maybe it's wet inside the contact, or it's got moisture in there.
Probably has something to do with the rain, but
So maybe that one got corroded. Okay, basically not doing much here. Changing the keypad. I got $349 for it. I'm just gonna tighten things up like this. Yeah, this is what I'm charging the guy. Door service on Jam Pivot Hardware. I've been here about 10 minutes. Tightened up everything and lubed. And then change keypad. I'm not charging him for the keypad. I got a bunch of those. So I just charged him $349 just to change out the keypad basically, and that fixed the problem. Okay, so that's the 10-minute job. Okay, today's a rainy day, so you can see they're still calling in the rain, and I got 2 more to do. I got one spring change, and the other one is maybe I'll talk her into a new opener or fix the one she has, who knows. But I'm heading over there now. I'll be back on. That first one was $349, basically just changed out the keypad. So anyway, I'm heading over to the other 2, so I'm at $349. But if I just do a minimal, I'll probably get 13 or 1400 a day on 3 calls, and they're all simple calls. So all right, talk at you when I get there. Hi there. Okay, you got an old one.
yeah.
1998, so that's like 25 years. It's an old unit, but I have them. It's the universal ones. They're 121 for the remote and 139 to program it. But I always ask people, since I'm here, have you had your door serviced at all? It doesn't look like it. Looks like the nuts are falling off. Do you want me to just service your door and I'll include the thing?
Can you just get the remotes
Yeah.
working for now?
Yeah, we can do that. I'm just saying, because I'm here, I'm looking right at it.
Yeah.
But you should tighten them up. Get a 7/16 socket and go around tightening them all.
Yeah, he's done it before,
Yeah.
kind of overdid
Yeah.
it, but that's been
But
a while.
you got a grease thing like in here, the back side of here. If you see that dark mark in there, that's where the roller pushes when it gets tight. Just spray like WD-40 and then
Yeah, if you could just get the
remote.
remotes.
No, that's fine. Okay, let me get it and I'll program it. It sold that opener for $1,895. I'm going to be going back to do that opener. but I'm gonna go run and do the spring change first, which is about a mile away here. And then I'm gonna go back and put that opener in. Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah, I do them all the time. Yeah, I do them all the time. Don't worry
So
about
this was a
it.
year ago.
I probably put this in.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
but this is still in operation, right?
No,
It
this,
doesn't-
huh?
It doesn't participate in relieving the weight of the door?
No, right now, when that spring, I can show you on this door better.
Yeah.
Here, let me show you.
That'd be good.
You see when the door goes down,
Yeah.
right now the spring is winding up. And when it gets to the bottom, see these cables?
It's a lift assist spring.
Yeah, it's counterweight. See it turning?
Yeah.
See how it's turning? That's wound up,
So it's assisting the lift.
Yeah.
Okay.
So whether you have an opener or not, like before they invented garage door openers, when you put a door in, you got to put a spring in.
Operate it and it wouldn't be so
Yeah,
heavy. 'Cause
especially on a 2-car garage,
Yeah.
you'd never be able to lift
I
it.
remember those when I was a kid. Well,
Yeah.
two-sided. Okay, so what do you think's wrong right now?
The broken spring, you need
Okay.
definitely need a broken spring, and then the door, I don't know, it looks like it's not bad, a little bit loose. I could tighten up everything, so it's not it's starting to get loose. So I
You have
mean,
one of those?
yeah, I do actually. So and this is a solid wood door,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
most of them don't weigh this much, so that's a bigger spring than normal. So anyway, this is $789 normally, but I can give you 10% since we've been here. 10% off.
Okay, great.
So go ahead and do it.
Yep.
$99 for one spring right here. And that took me about 30 minutes. I'm going to be hanging this opener for $1,895. I'll show you. How you doing? Good. I'll go ahead and take this one out and you'll be glad it's gone when I'm done.
All right.
Today I got 3 checks, one for $349, one for $18.95, one for $6.99. There's no business that you're ever going to get into where you get paid that quick, that much cash. If there is something out there that's that quick, I want to know what it is. This business has always been good. I've done it for a long time. This is the most rewarding trade. It's the most lucrative. People are always calling. You can make fast money in this business. I'm trying to tell you guys how you make money. Go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. We teach you how to do this. And you could go out and do exactly what I just did on everybody who calls you. Simpler jobs than that exist. You get paid incredible money for what you do. You really don't do much. I'm offering this to you to teach you guys, the next generation, or any generation for that, who wants to learn how to be a good garage door technician. And you would just have to apply it and make money. Go to work for someone, they're gonna make you do it anyway, right? They're gonna make you apply whatever they teach you, and then you're gonna make them money, so what's the difference? So you can learn it, go apply it, and you pocket all the cash instead of letting someone else get rich on you. I hope to see you guys in the class. You're not gonna get a training school like this. Anyway, there's a lot of traffic here. I don't like talking when I'm driving, so over and out.